Hello guys, welcome to my this video. My name is Anuj and today in the JavaScript tutorial I'll discuss about higher order function. And this function is very important even if you go to the interview. So that time they may ask what is higher order function. So in this video I'll give you the idea about higher order function and I'll show you the syntax of the higher order function. So first of all, if I give you the description, so higher order function means when we pass a function as a parameter. If you don't know what is parameter, so you can check my playlist and there you will get JavaScript beginner to advanced. There I have already discussed what is function, what is parameter. Okay, but in this video I will give you the brief idea what is parameter. So now I will go to the HTML file and I will show you what is higher order function. So this is HTML file and you know right how to declare the function. If you don't know, so again I will tell you, you can go to my playlist and you can check all these videos. So now here I will write a function keyword and after that function name can be anything. So I have written this one as function name, but if you want you can change this function name. Now here inside this parenthesis, okay, if I pass anything you can pass here, so that is called parameter. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just console this parameter name. Okay, I have console this parameter name whatever I have passed here. Now you know how to call a function. So how to call a function? Just simply function name you have to write here and the parenthesis. Okay, but here if you notice I have passed one parameter name. So this parameter name can be content of values. Okay, so that's why this parameter name I have passed inside this parenthesis. So whatever parameter value, whatever value it will contain, so that value you can pass here. Suppose if I pass a string value, creative developer, my channel name. Okay, so means this value now contains this parameter name. So now if I run this program, so then you will find it will print this one because this value contains this parameter name and this parameter name I have consoled here, right? So now if I go to the preview, so you will notice this value will be printed. So see here this value is printed. So here I hope you have understood the parameter concept. Now you can notice here this parameter name containing a string value, but suppose this parameter name contain a function, so that time it will be a higher order function. Okay, so how? So now what I will do, just I will remove this one and I will remove this console. So what I will do, just here I will pass two parameters. Okay, one is name which will be contain a string value and another will be a another parameter will contain a function. Okay, so here suppose if I write the another parameter name higher order. Okay, by the way parameter name you can write as per your choice. Okay, so I have written higher order. So this parameter will contain a string and this parameter will contain a function. So here I will just return. Okay, return what I will return? I will return this parameter. So this parameter I already told this parameter will contain one function. So when we write function, so that time we always use this parenthesis. Okay, so here I will use the parenthesis. Okay, that is done. So now I have created one higher order function. And what I can do here, again this function can contain one parameter. So what will be the parameter? So same name I will pass here. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you still have any doubt, so you can write in the comment section. I will try to solve your doubt. Means again I will tell you, like I have passed two parameter, one will contain a string value and another will contain one function. So here this parameter is a function and this parameter will contain a string value. So here that's why I have passed here. Okay, so now here I have passed one parameter as a function. So I have to declare the function, okay, which will denote this parameter. So here I will write a function that is higher order function. Okay, like this. So this parameter will denote this one. Okay, so now here I have passed another parameter inside this. So again I have to write, okay, this name can be anything, but here this will be the same, but here it can be anything. So I will write suppose name value. so it will easy to understand, otherwise you will make confused. So here I will write return this name value. Okay, so what's happening, again I will just revise. So here I have passed two parameters, this parameter contain one string value, this parameter will contain one function. So I have written this function, and this function again contain a string, and the string is this parameter. Okay, so while I have passed this one as a function, so I have to refer that function, so this function will refer that one. Okay, so and this function here I have passed one parameter, so this parameter value I have written here. Now inside the console dot log I will call the main function. So main function means this one, right? So now here see I have passed one string value. Okay, I mean one parameter which will contain string. So here I write a string name creative developer. Okay, and then comma, then one function, comma, then one function. So this function refer this one, right? So I will write this one. Hope it is clear. See, it is painted. Okay, so this is called higher order function, means when we call one function as a parameter. So this function I'm calling as a parameter, right? So that's why it is called higher order function. If you still have any doubt, you can write in the comment section, or if you find this video helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript.